Hello children, welcome to you in the bio class. Children, today in bio class I am going to teach you about thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is a bilobed structure. So here is one lobe and this is the other lobe. Both lobes are interconnected by narrow isthmus. So this is the narrow isthmus which are interconnecting this bilobed structure. The shape of this thyroid gland is butterfly. So bilobed butterfly shaped structure is of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is situated in front of the neck, just below the larynx. So this portion is called larynx, and just below the larynx, this is the larynx. Just below the larynx, this thyroid gland is present. It is bilobed butterfly shaped in structure, and both lobes of thyroid glands are interconnected by a narrow isthmus. Thyroid gland will secrete hormone. That hormone is called thyroxine hormone. This thyroxine hormone is secreted by thyroid gland. There are function of these hormones. Thyroxine hormone regulate the basal metabolism. So basal metabolism is regulated by this thyroxine hormone. Basal metabolism means rate of cellular oxidation. As the result of the cellular oxidation, there is production of heat, energy. Increase in the secretion of thyroid gland means thyroxine, rate of metabolism will increase, and when secretion of thyroxine will decrease, rate of metabolism decrease. Thyroxine hormone influence the growth of the body, ossification of bone, body temperature, and mental development. So what are the functions of the thyroxine hormone? First one is it will regulate basal metabolism, that is rate of cellular oxidation. Second point, it influence the general growth of the body. Third point, it influence ossification of bones. And fourth is it regulate body temperature. And last point is it regulate mental development. If there is normal secretion of this hormone, then it will perform these functions. But when there is under secretion of thyroxine, that is called hypothyroidism, due to or insufficient secretion of thyroxine. So when there is under secretion of thyroxine or insufficient secretion of thyroxine, or when there is hypothyroidism, it lead to three conditions. First condition is of simple goiter. Second condition is cretinism, and third one is myxoedema. So what is the simple goiter? Enlargement of thyroid. So therefore swelling is visible in the neck region in the front. This is due to insufficient quantity of iodine in food. Iodine is needed in our body for the formation of thyroxine. If there is insufficient iodine, then persons are suffering from simple goiter. Thyroid gland gets enlarged and swelling is visible in the neck. People in the hilly region are suffering from simple goiter because there is deficiency of iodine. Now, second is cretinism. If there is under secretion of thyroxine in the childhood, then suffering from cretinism. The symptoms of cretinism is growth of the child is affected, suffering from dwarfism, mental retardation means brain will not develop properly, that is defective development of the brain. And next is myxoedema. Person is suffering from these types of disease when there is under secretion of thyroxine, less secretion of thyroxine in adult. In the adult, if there is less secretion of thyroxine, they are suffering from myxoedema. Thyroid does not perform function properly. Therefore, the persons become sluggish. There is swelling in the face, swelling in the hand. So this is the symptoms of myxoedema. If adult person's body has become sluggish, there is swelling in the face and hand, it means they are suffering from myxoedema and there is less secretion of thyroxine from the thyroid gland. Now next is oversecretion. Oversecretion of thyroxine means hyperthyroidism. It means excess of thyroxine secretion. So excess of thyroxine secretion may cause exophthalmic goiter. So there is exophthalmic goiter due to oversecretion of thyroxine. In the exophthalmic goiter, it means protruding eyes. Metabolic rate increase and there is oversecretion, then metabolic rate will increase and heartbeat increase, shortness of breathing and eyes are protruded. So these are the symptoms of hyperthyroidism. So children, I told about the thyroid gland. It is located in the neck region, in front of neck, just below the larynx. It is bilobed butterfly in shaped. Thyroid gland will secrete thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormone's function is regulate basal metabolic rate, influence general growth of the body, ossification of bone, body temperature, mental development. If there is under secretion of this hormone, then persons are suffering from simple goiter, cretinism or myxoedema. If there is over secretion of this hormone, persons are suffering from exophthalmic goiter. So children, you try to understand this gland properly and learn the location of this gland and hormones which is secreted by this gland and their function.